So guys, this is the color in a semi-dark room. The color is definitely nicer in person than what you guys are seeing here. So it's hard for cameras to really pick up how nice color is. But I mean, it's really nice. It's got a nice effect to it. Welcome guys back to another unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out these 2.0 USB desktop speakers. So a couple quick things. It's got a 3.5mm jack. Portable supply is a USB powered. Let's get started. So you can change the color mode on here, and you can increase the volume and minus the volume on that pad under here. So you peel the top layer off, and then that allows it to sit on your desktop and not move around. So what we'll do is we'll test them out, then I'll show you guys the color. Once you turn it on, obviously you guys can't see the color as good right here, but the color goes kind of all around it. So once you turn it on, okay, so it looks like you can turn the lights off, and pressing the button turn the lights on. Alright guys, this is a copyright free song by Neffex. Check them out, Neffex. So let's start with 50%. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. Alright, let's up it now slowly. What to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love. Alright, it's maxed out. My phone is turned up. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. So again, you can turn it on and off with the press of a button. So the colors you see, they are, I would say they're about 20 times better in person than my phone and GoPro can show. Overall pretty cool though, and you can see they're fairly bright as well. Very nice.